Fasting Ramadan for the first time as a new Muslim or a Muslim renewing their practice can seem like an intimidating task. To many, refraining from food, drink, and intimacy with one's spouse during daylight hours sounds exhausting and even painful. Fortunately, Ramadan is a communal event involving everyone in the Muslim community. Not only will you have brothers and sisters in Islam to help you, but over time, as your body adjusts to periods of fast, you will find it becomes easier and easier. This is especially true as you harvest the spiritual fruits of fasting, closeness to Allah, an affinity for the community, and demonstrable improvements in your life when you exit Ramadan as a better person than when you started. By the grace of Allah, Ramadan is announced by local Muslim authorities based on the sightings of the new moon. It can be challenged for Muslims who live in countries where Ramadan is not recognized holiday, but Allah only asks that you do the best you can in the place He has put you. Fasting has etiquette, which can be summarized as guarding the outward lens and keeping watch over inward thoughts. One should receive Ramadan in a state of sincere repentance and corresponding determination. One should precede it with intention, which is required every night before fasting, and one must necessarily be silent from speaking evil words and from backbiting, for he not fasting who continues to eat the flesh of people.